Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William in India. Today, the last day of September, and it was a good month for the equity market, contrary to what people expect always in the September. Before we begin the session, please go through the disclaimer. Okay, so as you can see over here, the Nifty 50 has set up really well. Okay, so last week was a very good one for Nifty. And starting from the Monday, it's the excellent gain on Monday, which was followed by 4 more days of I think the gains. And but Friday थोड़ा एक नया हाई बनाया था, but वहां से एक रिवर्सल छोटा सा देखने को मिला. The high volume is I think due to the rebalancing, and there is no major worry about that high volume, so that is not an issue. So now most important level to watch out as of now will be 25,900 on the downside. 25,900 is very crucial. Okay. That is the 10 EMA, and what we have seen in this uptrending market, that mostly the first support is always the 10 EMA. Whenever a Nifty tries, see everywhere, you will see this pink line over here. The first level of support is always that 10 EMA. After that, the second level will be the 21 DMA, that is around 25 600. So for the October series, you can consider that 21 DMA can be a good support, 25 600. But as of now, if you are having a intraday view or a weekly view, then I think 25 900 is very important to hold for Nifty. Below that, we might see 1 2% of downside. Okay, so some key news. Welspun Enterprise got a big contract from BMC. The contract value is almost around 2000 crore, and that will be executed at around 93 months of time. Okay, NSE BSE is set to revise the transaction fee from October 1st. The Calcutta High Court has ruled in favor of Reliance Infrastructure, upholding the 780 crore arbitration award against Damodar Valley Corporation. So on Friday, the FI sold around 1200 crore of stock, while on the flip side, the DIS continues to be the net buyer and a very good net buying. Okay, of around 6880 crore. So there are other news as well. So Reliance Industry, they get the INB ministry node for transfer of non-news business to Star India. Okay, and a few others are like Railtel has won a big contract, not a big one for them, but yeah, 135 crore का एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला है उसको. एंड ल्यूपिन के कुछ प्लांट्स में ऑब्जर्वेशंस देखने को मिले हैं. So these are some of the news to watch out. Global market, US was flat to positive. ठीक है, बट आज एशियन मार्केट में बहुत ही ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. So first, let's start with the positive thing. The Shanghai is up 4.5% roughly. Okay, and last week was the best one for China because the government is giving economic stimulus. ठीक है, रेपो रेट कम किया, बॉन्ड बाइंग चालू किया, तो उसकी वजह से इकोनॉमी में बहुत पैसा डालने वाली है. एंड गवर्नमेंट आई थिंक काफी टाइम के बाद थोड़ा serious है, like more on the economic reforms they are going push they are giving. So उसकी वजह से Chinese market last week that was very robust. Okay, now coming to Nikkei, the Japanese market is down 4.5 to 5%. The reason being the political changes over there. The current PM is not going to contest the next election. Okay, the next PM, like who will be coming, again the pressure of that yen carry trade is getting mounted कि क्या फिर से वहां पे रेट में बदलाव होगा, what will be the new strategies and all this. So a lot of things are going on in Japan regarding the political as well as the rate cut things. So due to that, there is a lot of pressure on Nikkei, and Kospi as well. It's down more than a percentage. Okay, no major impact of the Israel war or the Israel comment at the United Nations. I think they were very strong. The Netanyahu was strongly saying at the UN conference that they will be countering all the attacks, and they will be very strict against the terrorism. And I think India also gave a very strong comment at the United Nations and giving a good reply to the Pakistan around the Jammu and Kashmir issue. So गिफ्ट निफ्टी डज इंडिकेट्स अ नेगेटिव ओपनिंग, बट इतना कोई मेजर कट नहीं है अभी के हिसाब से। तो 50-60 पॉइंट के या 70 पॉइंट के कट के साथ ही खुलेगा। But I think from there, let's see what happens, because the immediate support is a little on the lower side, which is very strong. That is the 10 exponential moving average, 10 EMA, 10 day exponential moving average. बट फिर भी जिस लेवल पे 26,000 पे 200-300 पॉइंट निफ्टी को इतना भी वो मेजर परसेंटेज वाइज देखे तो इट्स जस्ट अराउंड 1%। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, बट नीड टू बी केयरफुल अ बिट। बाकी ओवरऑल टेक्निकली कोई वांधा नहीं है। ठीक है, अपने मैक्रो इकोनॉमी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्रूड ऑयल कोई बढ़ा हुआ नहीं है, रिजल्ट सीजन आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट, देयर आर नो नेगेटिव मेजर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम द रिजल्ट सीजन एज वेल। सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी होल्ड ऑन टुडे। The stock of the day, you can say Emudhra. This looks very interesting. We have done one video on this as well. For more detail, you can go to YouTube, our channel, and watch this video. So we have given a detailed discussion on this. But the stock is looking very promising. It's just 2% below the pivot. The fundamentals are good. The technical profile has improved a lot. Okay, and the stock is quite ready to break out. The growth driver, the tailwind, you will see the OTPs that you come, no, कोई भी आप अगर कुछ कोई broking app लगा दो या कोई और app लगा दो, universities in USA, banks in the Middle East, everyone is using e-mudra software। जो उनका OTP का है वेरिफिकेशन के लिए, सब e-mudra का यूज होता है। Okay, so this is a good story to play with, and the fund holding is also increasing. So you can watch the full video, you can do your own research, and then decide on this one. That's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45.